हाय गाइस, आज हम देखेंगे टॉप 50 एमएस एक्सेल्स एमसीक्यू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल्स इज अ स्प्रेडशीट्स डेवलप्ड बाय माइक्रोसॉफ्ट फॉर डैश डैश। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शंस डी, ऑल ऑफ above. Next question, what is the intersections of a columns and a row on a worksheet called? Right answer is options D, cell. Next question, which functions in Excel tells how many numerics entries are there? Right answer is options B, count. Next question, the greater than signs is an example of dash dash operator. Right answer is options B, logical. Next question, what do you use to create a chart? Right answer is options D, chart wizard. Next question, what types of chart will you use to compare performance of sales of two products? Right answer is options A, column chart. Next question, how many sheets are there by default when we create a new MS Excel file? Right answer is options B, 3. Next question, in MS Excel's value used in a formula that does not change is called a. Right answer is options B, constant. Next question, as text editors is used at MS Word, so dash dash are used at MS Excel. Right answer is options B, worksheet. Next question, what is the total numbers of row in MS Excel? Right answer is options B, more than 70,000. Next question, which of the following is the latest versions of MS Excel? Right answer is option C, 2019. Next question, what is the shortcut key to hides entry row? Right answer is option C, Control plus 9. Next question, what is the shortcut key to hides entry column? Right answer is options D, Control plus 0. Next question, to select an entry columns in MS Excel, press dash dash. Right answer is options D, Control plus A. Next question, what is the symbols of multiplying? Right answer is options A, asterisk. Next question, what is the symbols for dividing? Right answer is option C, slash. Next question, which key do you press to check spelling? Right answer is options B, F7. Next question, which of the following is not an option of spellings dialog box? Right answer is options A, edit. Next question, which of the following is not a terms of MS Excel? Right answer is options D, document. Next question, which charts can be created in MS Excel? Right answer is options D, all of these. Next question, you can add image to a templates by clicking the pictures from dash dash. Right answer is option C, insert. Next question, Hyperlinks can be dash dash. Right answer is options D, all of above. Next question. New comments options can be found under dash dash tab. Right answer is option C, review. Next question. In MS Excel by default numeric values appears in dash dash. Right answer is option C, right aligned. Next question. In maximums, how many sheets can be set as a default while creating new workbook? Right answer is options B, 255. Next question. What is the shortcut key to replace a data within sheets dash dash? Right answer is option C, Control plus H. Next question. In MS Excel, display the current cell's address in the dash dash. Right answer is options D, name bar. Next question. A worksheet can have maximum numbers of row in MS Excel 2019. Right answer is options D, 10,48,576. Next question. A worksheet can have maximum numbers of columns in MS Excel 2019. Right answer is options B, 16,384. Next question. How many characters can be typed in a single cell in MS Excel? Right answer is options A part, 32,767. Next question. Which of the following is not a basic steps in creating a worksheet? Right answer is options D, copy the worksheet. Next question. Data can be arranged in a worksheets in a easy to understand manners using dash dash. Right answer is options D, all of above. Next question. Which of the following will not cut information? Right answer is options A, pressing Ctrl plus C. Next question. Which settings you must modify to print a worksheet using letterhead? Right answer is options D, margin. Next question. What is the shortcut key to insert new sheets in current workbook? Right answer is options B, shift plus F11. Next question. Which of the following will Excel not be able to calculate dash dash? Right answer is options D part. Next question. You can use drags and drops methods to dash dash. Right answer is option C, A and B part. Next question. To insert three columns between D and E, you would dash dash. Right answer is options A part. Select column E, F and G. Next question. Which area in an Excel windows allow entering values and formulas? Right answer is options B, formula bar. Next question. Microsoft Excel is a powerful dash dash. Right answer is options B, spreadsheets package. Next question. MS Excel is based on dash dash. Right answer is option C, Windows. Next question. Which of the following is latest versions of Excel? Right answer is options D, 2019. Next question. Excel's files have a default extensions of dash dash. Right answer is options A part .xlsx. Next question. In MS Excel 2003 file extensions dash dash. Right answer is options B part .xls. Next question. An MS Excel's workbook is a collection of dash dash. Right answer is options D part worksheet and chart. Next question. Which symbols must all formulas begins with? Right answer is options A part equal to. Next question. Where a row and columns meets are known as dash dash. Right answer is option C part a cell. Next question. The first cells in Excel's workbook is labeled as dash dash. Right answer is options D part. Next question. What is the shortcut key to hide entire row? Right answer is options D part control plus 9. Next question. Which functions adds all the values of the cells in the argument? Right answer is options B part sum. Thank you.